Hi, welcome to AI World. Did you know there's a platform that offers a variety of free AI tools like AI Face Swapper, AI Image Generator, AI Voice Cloner, AI Music Generator, and more? Join me in this quick 7-minute video where I'll walk you through installing this tool and explore the fantastic world of free AI tools that can simplify your life. So, let's get started. Part 1. AI Browser. Pinocchio is a browser that enables you to install, run, and programmatically control any application automatically. You can access various free AI tools from within a single browser. Before using any AI tools in this browser, you'll need to install it. Visit the Pinocchio computer website. The link is provided in this video's description. Click the download button and select the installer matching your operating system. For this video, we'll use Pinocchio Browser for Windows. Click the download button to start downloading your Pinocchio installer. Once the download process is complete, unzip the installer folder and run the Pinocchio installer to begin installing Pinocchio on your computer. Part 2. Free AI Face Swap. After completing the installation process, open your Pinocchio browser and select the Face Fusion app from the list. Click the download button to proceed. Then click the install button to start downloading and installing the Face Fusion AI and its requirements. You'll receive a notification when the Face Fusion installation process is complete. Now, let's test Face Fusion's normal mode by clicking the Launch Normal Mode button. Once the Face Fusion AI app is open, you can set your preferred frame processor, face swapper model, execution providers, and other settings. After that, select your source image by clicking on the source panel. Then choose the video you want to use in the face swap process by clicking on the target panel. You can adjust the output video encoder and video quality from the settings panel. Additionally, you can preview your output video by dragging the frame bar from the Preview Frame section. To enhance the output quality, manually set the face direction, age, and gender. Once everything is set, click the Start button to initiate the face swapping process. After completing the face swapping process, click the Download button to save your video. Here is the result from this AI face swap tutorial. Part 3. Free AI Image Generator. In this section, we'll try to install Stable Diffusion Web UI and generate an AI image using this tool. Go to the app list and select Stable Diffusion Web UI. Click the Download button to continue. After completing the Stable Diffusion Web UI installation, click Install Stable Diffusion XL. Once the installation process is complete, click the Launch button to start Stable Diffusion XL Web UI. Now, let's try its text-to-image generator. Type your prompt in the prompt box and add negative prompts if needed. You can make changes in the generation settings to improve the output quality. After everything is set, click the Generate button to start generating your free AI image. Here is the image result from this chapter. You can open this image file location by clicking the folder icon. Part 4. Free AI Voice Cloner. Now, let's try the AI Voice Clone tool to clone your voice and use it in different languages. From the app list, select XTTS and click the download button. After that, click the Install button under XTTS app. Click the Install button again to continue. Once the installation process is complete, click the Launch button to start XTTS AI. First, remove the pre-made reference audio by clicking the X button on the reference audio panel. Then, select the audio or voice file you want to clone. Once upon a time, there was a dear little girl who was loved by everyone who looked at her. To generate a new AI voice, using the given audio reference, type your script in the prompt box and select the language. In this example, we'll use English. Click the Submit button to start generating your AI voice.
He was so tired that he flopped down upon the nice soft sand on the floor of the rabbit hole and shut his eyes.
The reference voice is in English, so it's no surprise if it works well for generating another English voiceover. Now, let's try generating a Spanish voiceover using this AI tool. Type your Spanish script in the prompt box and select Español from the language options. After that, click the Generate button to start generating your AI voice.
Estaba tan cansado que se dejó caer sobre la suave arena del suelo, de la madriguera del conejo, y cerró los ojos.